Going on, guys, and welcome to another Minecraft video. In the last video I noticed that there was too much noise, and that's because that some other people were staying over and doing some stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And this is going to be a new survival series just on my own doing stuff. So this is going to be how you do survival, and also a challenge for me because the last episode I said I reviewed that I'm not that good in survival. So let's get started. So I need to get some wood first. Oh, and tomorrow I'm going to continue on the survival series and maybe do a mod showcase, and that might also be today also. And that's not enough. Every Minecraft game knows that the first thing you need to get is wood. Okay, I think that should be enough, but I'll build my house here. I might also need sheep. Let me quickly. Ooh, that's very lucky. Sword, pickaxe. Ooh, there's more than one. That's one. That's two. I need one more. That is three. So I can make a bed now before it's night time. Let me just quickly get all of this. I'm already getting hungry. Wow. I'll get the bed laid down here. Okay. That tree. Okay, let me quickly get that chicken. And that's it's a baby pig. Oh, when there's a baby, let me just get this for experience. Forget it. Gotcha. Any more pigs? No. I really need to eat. Where's my house? Okay. Okay, another pig there. I'm really waiting for the 0.15 update to come out because we add nothing. So getting food will be Yeah. The reason I'm getting more is because my friend might be joining me. Oh, food. Wow. This is a lot. Why can't in real life that pigs have leather? I need to eat again. This is normal, not even hard. Where's the wood? I'll quickly check. Okay, no more wood. Won't it be enough to complete the house? Okay, just enough for a second layer. Here. Oh my goodness, am I always this hungry? I need to find some coal because I don't use any of the wood. Wood is very important in Minecraft. Yes, more cows should spawn. Okay, oh, food. Food! And the cave. Oops. I should really make a door. Oh, I'm not thinking of that. Wood? Finally. They keep on spawning leather. How many leather? I have 3 leather. I need some leather iron. Oh my. They're just making me run around in circles. Yes. I can make a leather helmet now. In the sheep. Oh, let me just do this for fun. Leather sheep. Pink sheep in the house, y'all. I found a rare sheep. Anything else? More wood. It's already getting dark. This is going to be a tough day. 24. Oops. to sleep now. Okay. Wake up. I think I should leave this area at the door. Let me quickly see. Any mobs? Okay, no mobs. Oh, 14 I forgot to make it a chest. I'm quickly make all the armor. Still hungry. I hope I don't get hunger from this. Pink sheep still there. Yes, I can replant. Tree. Okay, this is going well. Whoa. I need to go mining very soon. Where did you go? I found that. I need to make another wooden sword and another wooden pickaxe. Where's that over there? I thought I was doing it for a second. And let's go back home. Get my stuff. Oops, wrong way. This way. Okay. Almost a whole stack. I have upstairs. Okay, that's fill out the top. I think I'm good for now. 7 stairs. Oh, sometimes I want to eat. Not yet. What I really need now is coal. And let's make a shovel. Oh yeah, and a sword. Then an axe. And a pickaxe just in case. So I'll keep my swords, my pickaxe, my axe, my other axe. Okay, I'll keep my wood. Oh, I still have a lot left over. I'll keep these. keep these. I'll carry 2 of each. And let me organize my inventory. Okay, so this is a good start. On the side. I think it's on the side. Let me check. Okay, that's the. Let me do it from here. Oh, die alright. And the side is the reddish one, I think. Okay, then I'm getting more stone. I've got at least like half a stack of stone. For some reason, I just like making stairs to go into a mining area. I hope I find coal very soon. By the way, guys, I wanted to edit out that part where there is noise, and I don't really know much of editing, so in the comments please leave tips on how to do that. All I know is how to trim and all that. And as you can see, I'm using Mobizen recorder, and I think that has what's it called, editing in it. I'm gonna get this whole row out. I have 40, that should be good. Okay, at least now I can make a furnace. Get the furnace. Oh, I still have like half a stack left over. And I'm gonna make stone tools. 13 stick, stone sword, stone pickaxe, another part of sticks, stone axe, stone shovel. I don't even need holes this time. Okay, keep that. I need food. The dirt, diorite, cobblestone. Oh, yeah, I'll need that later. Okay. Can we use these? Can I use these as charcoal? Let me cook these. I'll get more of this. That's right, pig. Sorry, pig. I'm cooking your brother. That's right. Okay. This, no, I'll leave this steak. What I really need now is pork chop. Oh, that's so good. I'll leave like 3 here just in case. So nothing to cook anymore. There's still a lot of time till next time. But guys, I think I'll leave it here for now. I think that was a good start to our survival series, and I think I'll do much better in survival And also on Saturday you might see a new person coming in to this survival series just for like 1 day, then doing around May you see more often, more like 5 episodes a week. But for now I've dubbed like 2 episodes. So I hope you like and subscribe. You're already getting my time, so I think I should sleep. So I'll see you guys next time. Oops. Wait, let me just get into bed first. So I'll see you guys next time. Guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. I'm here in my friend's house, not my house, and he's supposed to be here but he's doing stuff. So for now I'm just going to try and get some experience and enchant stuff and do all that stuff. And here he is right now. His name is Dark Builder. I thought it was supposed to be Chaos Ebra like I mentioned in the last video, but he changed it and he changed the skin. So for now I'm just going to go exploring and maybe kill a sheep. But I wouldn't do that, that would be mean. Now let me go into the underground stuff. And guys, he built this in survival. He has been playing this for like over a month now. And it's actually pretty cool. Okay, what's over here? More chests. Animal and plant resources. Nice. Stone. Wow, that's a lot of stone. Tool. Ooh, iron sword. Replacement. Wood. Then what's over here? Glass. Not that much. Iron. Oh, diamond. Can I make a diamond sword? Okay, let me ask him if I can make a diamond sword. Dark Builder, can I make a diamond sword? Thanks. Okay, here's some coal. Let me get 2 diamonds. And then wood. Where's wood? Here. Sticks. Where are the sticks? Sticks. Get that. Where's the crafting table? So, where's the crafting table? Found it. Diamond sword. I need some sugar cane. Where's the sugar cane? Go up, go out. Once again, this is his skin. Up. Where's his farm? What the heck happened? Come on, why? This is pretty weird.
The next thing you know,
okay, guys, I'm back.
In the car. I was playing the next thing.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm trying to make another diamond sword because that one got lost.
It's a flop.
Diamonds. Oh, this is nice. Any secret entrances? Dark Builder, you know in my house there's actually a secret entrance to another place. I built it.
By the way, he's still a flop.
And that's one of my annoying friends talking right now.
No, I be his papa.
Okay, so let's go.
No, exactly.
I'm not stealing stuff, guys. So
I thought there will be a lot of people here.
And it's night time and Dark Builder is outside his house. I'll save him though. I'll protect him. And he's about to, oh, okay, he's back. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay, I'm here. Sleep, 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 sleep. It's daytime. Okay, guys, time to go to my own world and do other stuff. My survival series. Okay, here it is. So beautiful. So guys, this is my house, and as you know in the last episode I just started, and So guys, I'm going to go out and continue some stuff. I'll get my wooden sword and this. So guys, I'm back here. Oh, and I see pink. So this is my house and pink sheep is over there. This is actually pretty. Oh, look at pink sheep. Sir, just started yesterday. So hey guys, I'm back in my own world. And this is going to be good.
I'm not going to keep quiet.
And it's going to be awesome. Sorry, there's some noise over here.
They're saying I'm not going to keep quiet. I'm saying there's some noise.
Okay, so I'm going to. It's raining right now, and I need to build a roof now. So let me get some materials from my chest. Oops, battery low. So then 20 wood. I need some charcoal. So let me just make these. So how many is that? 12 staircases. Wood stairs, sorry, not staircases. Okay, so put this. Oops. Put this here. That's not where I meant to put it. I got that. Okay. Okay, it's actually not getting to night time, it's still daytime. But I got 12 stairs. I don't think it's going to be enough though. Let me just convert it back. Oh no, I can't convert it back. I'm stuck with this useless stairs. Oh well. I messed up my building plan. When it's okay, I think I can still go to this one. But what I really need now are wolves. So let me see. I'll get my wooden axe, 2 of them, my sword and my stone sword. That's good. Okay, no mobs out yet. Oh, cows. Nice.
Hey!
Oh no.
Why is it that during the week we've been playing well? Now weekend, Samad is now playing well, but during the week he'll be somehow.
Okay, I have my leather cap on, so I don't need any more leather for now. And I have some steak, some raw beef. Let me just get more wood to just fill out the top. Oops, no, I'm stuck. Okay, here. There's a lot of noise right now.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was here.
We're playing table tennis and
Samad should.
somebody that couldn't play before is beating all of us.
Honestly, that one guy that couldn't play before now became all of us.
That's why there's not much noise. So, guys, I don't really know where I'm going, but I'm just searching for wood. And now the flop is beating everybody once again. Where are some trees? I need trees. I need trees. No wonder. Oh, I left it on pieces for my other episode. Cow.
How can you be fixing this much?
So let's go back home. So let me just get more of these cows.
These are nice.
Okay guys, let me just head back home. It's almost dark, I think. I'm not sure.
Let's start that one.
So where do we go? It's the border point. I think in this direction because I'm... Oh my gosh, I hear skeletons. Bye. I hear skeletons. It's following me, I think. I think it's following me. I'm not sure. But I think it's night time now.
Light blue, dark blue. Red, white, white.
My friend Dark Builder is building me with his stuff. Oh my gosh, there are many trees here and I didn't even notice. I wonder if that tree that I planted, this is okay. I'm really hungry.
Please don't clap. Better. Samad deals.
So,
Police, I can see you. They're giving me some
okay, I'm lost guys, I can't find my house. Oops, ouch. And guys, I got to Minecraft 1.9 on my laptop. Yeah, I got it. I defeated the Wither yesterday and I defeated the Ender Dragon. In like about 3 hours, I died a lot. Sadly, I didn't record it. And I'm getting more leather right now. So guys, I have 10 leather. I have enough to make a few more stuff. And I'm getting really scared. I can't find my house. Okay, this is not the place. I've never seen that place before. Where do I go from here? Since there are more trees here, you can't go this way. Oh my gosh, I found lava. I'm still hungry. I might have to kill sheep. I can't find any more sheep. Oh man, I'm lost. I'm pretty scared.
Better like that. Oh, they don't need it. Let's give it the point.
Okay, where do I go from? Did I just go in a big circle?
Just 3. Why not get right? That's picture just 1.
Well,
So this is pretty weird. Guys, I'm pretty lost. I don't know where to go. I can't find my house. Full. Wait.
I have a
It's true. So my friend is helping me now, but I need to eat. I need to eat.
What should I use?
I've surveyed it. There's no food around there. Just go a little further, yeah.
You can't find my house or any food.
You'll find an animal, sheep or
Oh yes,
something.
yes. I'm so happy to be alive. Oops.
I told you so. That's me, the boss.
Sure, whatever. Okay, I'll 13 leather. Let me get some wood just in case I'm stuck out here.
And the thing is that
Okay guys, I have some wool. Wow, it's still daytime. This is going to be a really long day. Let's get this, 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 and all that. That's pretty good for now. This is actually a very good open flat land, and some people are playing basketball behind me, which can never know. Hold on. So guys, oh my gosh, it's nighttime. Oops, sorry guys, I have to do this. I can't stay in the dark. As you know, I'm bad at survival. I'm gonna grab my crafting table, put it down, make a bed, put this down, sleep. So I'm up and running. Okay, so guys, it's morning time again, and I somehow survived. I think it's peaceful. I think I'm just running in circles right now. So guys, I think I'm going to end the episode here. I'll do some stuff off camera, and I'll try and find my house. So, oh, my axe just broke. So I think that's going to be all for now. Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video, where today I was actually supposed to start a second episode of my Minecraft survival, and I actually did episode 1 and recorded it, but somehow that got messed up. Oops, that didn't work. And today, what I was supposed to do for the episode 2 of my Minecraft survival was supposed to build a farm. That's why I have my own hole, and actually made too many sticks, so I need to get some wood. And you guys have been recommending getting a new recorder that is not Mobizen related. Well, I can't for this my device, because some of the recording apps, it's not compatible with it. But I have another device where I can record, send it to this device and upload. I can just upload it right there from there. But if I want to record from here, I can send it to there and then do it here again. I'm just getting confused. Whatever. All I want to know is that I'm working on the recording issue, and I'll get right to it soon. So we have enough wood. 10 should be fine. I'll get this. Get our crafting table. I think we can do this. 30, and I'll need to make a fence gate. I had my iron sword out just in case any mobs appear. I actually did a survival with Chaosabra and Kai75. Oh no, I hope it's a light one. Yeah, I think it's a light one. It doesn't really rain much in this survival. So as I was saying, I did a survival yesterday with Chaosabra and Kai75, and well, I spawned in a snowy biome, and let me just say that it went really bad. I found a skeleton horse and there was no storm or anything, and I had a saddle, so I was thinking maybe so I was still thinking that maybe there was a glitch to it. Like, I usually find a lot of glitches in Minecraft 0.14.0 and 0.14.1, but this one has been leaving me dry, so I thought I found a new one. but instead it was a skeleton horse trap, which is actually kind of a glitch since there was no storm. And then the bad thing is that there were strays riding on it, and the strays all had helmets so they didn't burn. I tried to run away, but they made me go slow, and the horses are really fast. So I killed all of them, got the horse, then suddenly the horse died because of lightning, which is kind of weird. Kyosabra doesn't know about the horse dying because I actually left before he saw it die. But we also played Capture the Flag and with a friend called Meplays 1234, I think. So let's stop talking. I need some food. I'm really bad at getting food. Okay, I have some pork chop. I'll cook this, or I can just leave it with the coal. I need to organize my chests and everything. Okay, I might need more wood. Yeah, I definitely need more wood. Instead of wasting this iron sword, let me just get this. Okay, I think I might have some saplings in the house. Yeah, and anything else, I'll get these seeds. Let's just pick up. Okay, another sapling. Cool. Okay, I'll plant this. This is my other Xbox account. That's why I'm getting these achievements now. Boom. I hope this is enough. I might also need a chicken farm. Here, chicken. I'm actually getting all of this so that I'll have more food and I'll breed animals some more. Oh, it's rain. Wait, this is weird. Oh, it will rain here, but when I go here, it's not. Yeah, it's only raining in that part, which is weird. And I might explore that cave over there. I think it's a channel of caves actually. Okay, an egg. Okay, this chicken should come. 1, 2, yeah. They're coming, okay. I'll lead them into my house. Okay, number 1, number 2. Okay, they're trapped. Okay, come back. Go this way. Okay, yes. I got them inside. Not cut down. Okay, yeah, the bone meal. Dang it. Okay. Let me actually see if I can get some more seed. Nope. Let me just clear this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, and it's way faster. I think the sun is going down actually. Seriously, what is it with the rain? Okay, yeah, it's getting dark. I'll continue this in the morning. Okay, the chickens are still here. It's night time, technically. Yeah. No. Oh gosh. Come back, come back, come back. Yeah, come back. Come back. Kongaga. Any mobs? I really need a spider so that I'll make a bow. Another chicken there. Sheep there. Okay. Yeah, we need some more wood. Luckily, I'm in an acacia biome. There's always lots of wood. Yeah, I need to craft this. I actually need only one fence gate, so I'll craft one here. I'll keep this here. So, fence gate, yeah. First, let's get our... Okay, I'll make a shovel to make things faster. We'll make an infinite water supply. Wait. You can't get more? Wow. Oh well. I'm next to a river anyway. Yeah, it's right here. I need to clear this up. It's really annoying me. Yeah. Now that's our infinite water source. So I'll make it go down from here. I'm actually just cover this up. Yeah, this is good. So three, four, five, six. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me get my bucket. Let me see if I can get any more seeds. Any seeds? Yeah, there's one there. There's two. I'm flooding the whole area. Yes, I have 3 more. Okay, they're already growing. Now let's add the fence. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll make more. Yeah, 3 should be enough. Yeah. Let me see something. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this can be good. Oh god. Oh, I need an extra door. Yeah, I have one. And I don't have any more seeds. At least I have some eggs. Okay. Any more chickens? Nope. Okay, he went over there. I think, oh no, my crafting table is there. Block him up there. Get this. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this is for a place. It is for. Wait, where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? There's one. Okay, it's right over here. So it'll be like a connection between the what's it? Are you ruining my crops? If you are, I'll mess you up. This doesn't. Oh, I'm so stupid. Another egg. Let me keep this about here. And one over here. I had a spider. Is it over here? Man, that is freaky. So you should enter there. Where's the fence gate? Yeah. Then you get off my comfy. Say get off. Get off. Oh. Fence. Nope, just a fence gate. Another fence gate. I need more wood. Again. Just so that I'll let you know, without wood you can't do anything in Minecraft. Okay, it's getting dark. Yeah, definitely getting dark, and I'm do you just lay whatever? It's night time. I'm sleeping with the chicken in my face. Get out. I said get out. Get. Okay, you asked for this. Go. Get. Oh my. Did he just escape? My goodness. He just escaped. This is sad. This is really sad. Why did I even... Gosh. Did he just lay an egg? Yes. 3 eggs. Nothing. I want to come back. Come in. Don't be shy. God, no. No. Come back in. Come back in. Please. Please. Okay, I want to come in through this way. Nope. Pour water in you. I need the food anyway. I need a fence gate. One fence gate. What else did I want to make? I can't remember. I'll figure out soon. Fence gate. Oops. Yeah, this can work, I guess. Get some more sticks. One fence gate. Break this. Oh, no. Yeah. What did I want to get? It had something to do with water. Oh, this one grew. Nice. Some free coal down there. I'll get that later. Another one. Did I just break it? Oh, I just placed it. Did I do that? I'm gonna slap it with some meat. I'm sad and lonely. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. One, two, three. One, two, three, four, five. This is really effective. There's more here. Now tempt this chicken. Whoa, I have 10. Okay, I have an egg. Oh my gosh, lag. One chicken down. Yeah, one chicken down. I just need one more. I'll just leave it for now. Come this way. Yes, trapped one. Now, I'll leave the second one for later. Wait, I think I saw one. Oh, that was a sheep. Now to plant the remainings. What the heck? Kiosa, bro. Dude, Kiosa, bro, what are you doing? Okay, here, chicken. This fully grown yet? Yes. Our first wheat of the day, or of the whole survival series. Wait, and it says this. Please be a winner. Oh. That was nice. Just for some happiness, I hope you accept. I might need some sand for the windows. I don't think he's coming. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I don't think he might be able to make it, but anyway guys, thanks for watching another Minecraft video. Thanks for all the support and everything, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like this video, smash a seed into the like button, and also click on the subscribe button if you're new. So that's the end of me. How about you? Goodbye.